Hello, sir. My name is Nazrul, and I have over 3 years of experience supporting real estate operation, including managing property listing, CRM database update, working with teams, and organize project information using Google Sheet and Excel. I'm also comfortable working with real estate platform, AI tools, and administrative system. I have hands-on experience managing maintenance requests, coordinating with a contractor, tracking work order, and ensuring tenant issues are resolved quickly and professionally. I'm comfortable using AppFolio, Zillow, Rent App, Apartment.com, Zoho CRM, Trello, Google Sheet, Google Drive to organize project, monitor progress, and keep system update. In my previous role, I regularly follow up with the vendor, collect job documentation and photos, and help maintaining clear workflow for rental maintenance and renovation coordination. I'm highly organized, proactive, and enjoy keeping operation running smoothly behind the scene. I'm also available during use business hour, and would welcome the opportunity to support your team for long term. And I apologize for the background noise. We're currently experiencing thunder and raining here. Thank you, sir.